As far as suspended JDS MP Prajwal Revanna, who is facing allegations of sexually abusing several women, who was arrested by the SIT probing the case minutes after he landed at Bengaluru's Kempegowda airport. Dressed in a grey hoodie jacket, off-white track pants and white sneakers, Prajwal Revanna was escorted out of the airport by the police officials around 1:10 a.m. Prajwal was then taken to the SIT office in Bengaluru, where he was put through preliminary questioning. Before his arrival, the JDS MP had filed for anticipatory bail and his plea has been accessed by Times Now. The plea says that the applicant has valid tenable defence and denies allegations against him. Revanna also contends that electronic evidence that has been fabricated to put him and to frame him because of political vengeance. He claims that the pictures and videos have been morphed to damage his reputation.
The convoy vehicle is there, cops are stopped. There, Prajwal Revanna is there. Prajwal Revanna is here. Clear visuals of Prajwal Revanna, Madhav. There's there. He's been brought to the SIT office now by the police officials here. So finally, Prajwal Revanna from the airport has been brought clear to the SIT office. The 1 month of wait for the SIT officials are over. 2 notices after blue collar. Prajwal Revanna is finally been brought to the SIT office for further questioning, Madhav. Very clearly, our cameraman is Santosh is brought you that visuals. Clearly, Prajwal Revanna wearing the hoodie didn't look any repentant, had that same arrogance on him as his friend. If you only looked at the media, and now at the SIT office, officials have brought him, and here the entire process starts from now of questioning Prajwal Revanna, of questioning him about the cases brought against him, about the victim's statement, about how he absconded, how long he was there, who helped him in everything. All this will unravel now, and this will be the epicenter for the next coming days in the Karnataka politics.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।